Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fresh Looks and Cooks. This is our 10th episode, and we'll be making Italian brunch casserole. Now, of course, we bring you this recipe just in time for Mother's Day, and we're hoping that you'll be able to add it to your brunch menu and that mom will love it just as much as we do. Now, we love it so much because it is very versatile. You can make it your own, and even more so, it's great the next day and is super portable. It is definitely a crowd pleaser, and everyone in your family will love it. Now, for us, we use some bell pepper, onion, Mrs. Dash, and pepper to season. We did not use any salt because of the ham and the salami underneath the egg. So you really don't need to add a lot of salt, or any salt for that matter. Now, after we baked it, this was our final outcome, and really just serve it up with a side of fruit salad and a glass of mimosa, and you are good to go. Now guys, we want to thank you again for watching, and we'll see you again next week. Like, share, and subscribe.